Hello, this is a request to Blizzard Entertainment America to create a master game called Warcraft Resurrected. This is what I want the name to be. Firstly, you can put a word, space, symbols. It reaches up to level 39. And there's races which include Tauren and whatever you want. The items I would like to put in this game, for you to put in this game, a hood of the blackened face, chest piece of gold, red woven pants, and bludgeoning mace. The talents for the rogue class subtlety include Internal Blood, Priestess Arrow, Call of the Wild, Dark Sprinter, Fire Face, Burning Resolve, Toxic Daggers, Ill Stomach, Light of the Innocents, Guild's Challenge, Call of Damnation, Shadow Stalker, Assault Curiouser, Pain Siphon, Trader's Bleak, Blood Pound, Dark Risk, Lullaby Song, Sea Dweller, Unstable Breathing, Nemesis Book, Dreams Leaf, Punctured Wounds, Glass Vial of Sand, 50-50, Laughing Shadow, Shadow Step, Ambush on the Block, D's Anxiety, and Siphoning Poison. Thank you.